Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing all good. In today's video, I share with you this easy but yet mouth-watering Ghanaian goat meat pepper soup or light soup recipe with you. You will love this. All you have to do is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Now let's get started. I'll start by cooking my vegetables. For vegetable of choice, I'll be using carrots, garden eggs, pepper, fresh tomatoes, and I'll also go in with some water to cook this until it's nice and very soft. Feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. So now let's cover this and allow it to cook for about 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, I am back to check on it. The vegetables looks very soft and ready. So I'll set everything aside, allow it to cool down a little bit before I blend it. So while that is going on, let's go ahead and steam our protein. As I said, I'm going to be using goat meat for this recipe. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. Next, I'll season my protein with some chopped onions. Next, I'll go in with some tomato paste, garlic ginger paste, and I'll also season the meat with some good seasoning powder. And don't forget to go in with a little bit of salt to taste. Everything is totally to your taste. I'll also go in with enough water to allow the meat steam very well. Let's stir everything together. We will cover and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. As always, we will be coming back to check on it. Now, whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my video, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so we are back to check on our proteins, and this is how it looks like. The aroma in here is just on point and perfect. I'll give it a very good mix once again. I'll cover and allow it to do its own thing on low medium heat for extra 10 to 15 minutes, and we will be back to check on it again. Alright, so we are back after extra 10 to 15 minutes, and this is how it looks like. I'll go in with my blended vegetables which I cooked earlier on, and once that is done, I'll also rinse the blender with a little bit of water and I'll add it to the soup. Light soup should be very light, but it also depends on you totally how light or thick you want it to be. Okay, so feel free to go in with any amount of water that you want. Okay, let's stir everything together very nicely, and at this point you also need to taste for salt if it's okay. If not, you can go ahead and add a little bit of salt to it, and once that is done, we will cover and allow it to cook on low medium heat until it's nice and ready. Light soup is very easy to put together, but trust me, it is heavenly. Next, I'll also go in with some Eden fruit, okra to top it up, because I'm going to be eating this with fufu. Alright, so the Eden fruit is also going to bring out sweet aroma from this soup. Let's cover and allow it to do its own thing, and we are back to check on it after extra 20 minutes, and this is how the soup is doing. It's doing just fine and perfect. So moving forward, I'll also go in with one more thing to also elevate the taste of this soup as well. It is totally optional, trust me on this one. So now let's go in with some African cream. You can also go in with any mackerel of your choice, but trust me, adding in the mackerel took the soup taste to another level. Just trust the process, as I always See, after going in with the mackerel, I'll allow it to cook on low medium heat for extra 10 minutes and it should be ready. All that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. And as you all know, I am a fufu girl, so obviously I'm going to be enjoying this super delicious goat meat soup with my cassava and plantain fufu. Just try it and thank me later. Let's serve ourselves and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoy to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much and see you in my next upload. Bye.